Hi everyone. Today we are here to learn about cursive writing. As we all know that we are writing in 4 rule notebook. So why do we write down in 4 rule notebook? In these 4 rules they have individual names. So at first we will learn what are the names of these lines. This is the first red line. You can see this red line is known as skyline. It is called skyline. And the middle of these two lines, which is known as grass line. These are called grass lines. And there is another red line, what is known as root line. It is called root line. So my dear friends, all these 4 rules have the names right now. What are the names? The first red line is known as skyline, and the middle two lines, what's color in blue or black in any other notebook, these are called grass lines. And the last line, which is the last red line, it is called root line. Now we are learning how do we write down the capital letter and small letter. So at first I will show you how do we write the capital letter from A to Z. So as it is, we have started writing from the middle of the grass line. Take this loop, that is called loop. So the loop will come and touch the skyline and again getting down. And after that, we'll take a little curve, that is capital A. Then capital B, it will start from the skyline, we will turn it and finish it in the grass lines. Capital B, capital C. We have to take a loop from the first of the grass line, then touch it to the skyline and make a little curve and finish it within the grass line. So that is capital C. Now D, it will start from the skyline, touch the grass lines, make a little curve and then it is completed. It is capital D. Capital E, the E will start from the gas line, touch the skyline, make a little curve and finish it within grass line. E. Then capital F, we have to start it from the skyline and hold it and left it between the grass line and make a cut here, that is F. Right now G, capital G. So it will start from the middle of the grass line, touch the skyline, get a back and get down to touch the root line and now it's completed. G, capital H, starting from the grass line, touch the skyline, get it down, finish it and again another part the same way we will start it and make a loop, that is H. Then I, capital I, just make a little curve and finish it within the grass lines. I. J, it starts like a I, but there are little difference. We have to start like the I. It will touch, get down to touch the root line, then make it curve. J. K, as it is, we have to start from the grass line to skyline and finish it in the grass line. Then another part will start, touch it, middle and finish it. K. Then L, started from grass line, touch to the skyline, getting down and little up, curve. L. Then M. M will start from the grass line, touch the skyline, again it get end of the grass line, start and finish. M. Then N, it will start from the grass line, touch the skyline, get down and cover it and also touch the skyline, that is N. O, it's make a circle and just leave it. O. P, we have to start straight line from the sky to the grass line and take the first grass line and make a circle little, that is P. Then Q, we have to start a loop from there and touch, make a circle, and between it we have to start, that is Q. Clear? Now R, capital R like the P, we have to start it and just take a loop, that is R. S, we have to start it from the middle of the grass line, take a loop, carve it and finish. S. Then T. So T is also like the A, we have to carve it, touch from the grass line and leave it. And the difference is there is no cut in the middle. Then U, it will start from the grass line, touch the skyline, make a little curve and then get it down, U. Now V, as it is like the U, but take it little straight and finish, curve, V. W, same as it is, we have to start from the skyline, again touch the skyline, getting down into the grass line and make it curve, W. Then X, we have to cover it like that one, first one, and the same it is in opposite section, that is X. Y, we have to start it, finish it within the grass line and down the loop and touch the root line and up. And Z, that is also called Z. That Z, we have to take it from the loop line, start from the grass line, put it down, carve it and again come to the end part and then finish it. So now here you can see the 26 alphabets A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. These are the capital letters. Okay. Now I will show you the small letters. So how do we write small letters? Small letters all are started maximally in the grass lines. So first it is small letter A, then B will start from the grass line, touch the skyline, getting down and make a finish it in the grass lines. B, small letter C, then it's D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O. P will come at the end part of the root line and then finish in the grass line. Then small letter Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. So this is the small letter cursive. So while you teach your student or your children at home, follow this cursive pattern and follow in which way I have finished it carefully. So all of you must practice it as it is. Then you did not have any problem to learn the cursive. Okay, thank you everybody for watching this video.